your two function grounding. You will want to do this daily to ensure that you are releasing all the energy that you're collecting from your environment and the energy that you are releasing within your energetics. You will also want to be drawing up earth energy to nourish your chakras. Begin by expanding your aura and expanding the aura beneath your feet. Open up your energy beneath your feet. Widen it to the tips of your fingers if your arms were outstretched. And then just tell your energy to release. Release that which isn't serving you in your greatest and highest. Release it down into the planet. This is a flesh. Allow yourself to wash it out. Allow it to wash down deep into the planet. Once you feel satisfied that your grounding is flowing, you'll want to look also for any areas that are blocking your grounding. If you can detect blockages in your grounding, dissolve them. To connect into the planet and release that which is not serving you. You will notice that you're able to release more. Do this daily. The second step to your two function grounding is to draw up earth energy. Now that you've released, you're going to nourish. Bring up that earth energy. Bring it up through your feet, through your ankles, up your calves, up to your knees, up your thighs, your hips, up through your abdomen. Bringing that earth energy up into your shoulders, your arms, your elbows, down to your wrists, through your hands, your hand chakras, through your fingertips, that earth energy now up through your throat, your neck, the back of your neck, through your jaw, your nose, your ears, your brow, your eyes, the top of your head, all the circuitry, all the meridians through your head. And then allow that earth energy to go upwards more, up just to saturate all of your aura up over your head. And this completes your two function grounding. Your armor. Because you are sovereign, imagine you're wearing armor. Full body armor. Take a look at your armor. The front, the back, the top, the bottom, the sides, your feet. And now remove your armor and hand it over to your angels and your guides of the highest frequencies of love and healing. Now you will be creating for yourself new armor. You want your new armor to be made from a material that's stronger but lighter in weight and shinier and brighter in color. Imagine that your new armor covers all parts of your body, your head, your shoulders, your arms, your hands, your waist, your back, your hips, your legs, your feet. You can make your armor full and flowing with golden healing light. This will assist in transmuting any dense energies that come your way. Because you are sovereign, all you have to do is affirm, I bless and send home any outside energy in my energy field which does not belong to me. A requesting of your higher self to assist in gathering all the outside energy that doesn't belong and blessing and sending it home to where it does. It's helpful to affirm 3 times. I bless and send home any outside energy in my energy field which does not belong to me. I bless and send home any outside energy in my energy body and my energetics which does not belong to me. Take a deep breath. Now you'll be retrieving your personal energy. And if you consider all the thoughts and feelings that you have in a day, how much of your energy is out in the world in different places and people and things. Your energy is yours. It belongs to you. It will respond instantly to your direction. So now call home your energy. Imagine it's returning in streams of light. Ask your higher self to bless and clear your energy as it returns to you. Accept your personal energy back into your aura. Now let's call home some of your specific energy. Let's call home your innocence energy. Call home your confidence energy. Call home your courage energy. Your strength energy. Innocence, confidence, courage, strength, trust, happiness, allow it to come into your aura. Good job. Because you are sovereign, you are going to be repairing your aura. Calling upon your angels and your guides of the highest frequencies of love and healing, inviting them now to come and assist you in repairing your aura. And may you receive the most powerful and effective healing possible in this moment for your greatest and your highest good. Imagine now that you are inside of a bubble. When you do this, you are opening up a conversation with your energetic body and allowing it to reveal to you those areas that are in need of repair. Take a look around your bubble. Look at the top, the bottom, the front, the back, the sides. Looking all around. You're searching for areas that are dark, dirty, or damaged. There may even be areas of your aura that are missing, as revealed to you through visualization as you imagine yourself inside of a bubble. Requesting of your angels now to provide you with the divine healing energy to clean any of these areas that you see that are dark or dirty. With this divine healing energy, washing away all debris on all the damaged areas of your aura, as revealed to you in the image in your mind of a bubble around you. Take a look for the damage. Your aura will reform automatically on its own. It just needs to be cleaned of any debris that had collected on the damaged areas. Requesting of your angels now to assist you in cleaning any energetic debris that is collected on any damaged parts of your aura. Deep breath in through your nose, out through your mouth, shifting your consciousness into that state where you can perceive and interact with your auric field. Once you feel you've cleared all debris off of your aura, cleaned your bubble of anything dark or dirty, look now for any damaged areas and direct them to reforming all the damaged areas that you see. Requesting of your divine team to provide you with the divine healing energy that you need to facilitate the repair of your aura. Search for areas of your bubble that may have missing parts and fill it in. Search for areas of your bubble, of your aura that are torn, and watch them reform. Your aura will expand as you do this work. It will brighten. You will see your bubble brightening and expanding as you do this work. Now that you've done your part, we're going to request of your angels now to go through each layer of your aura and clear, repair, strengthen, and protect.
affirm with the request. Angels, please clear, repair, strengthen, and protect the first layer of my aura. Angels, please clear, repair, strengthen, and protect the second layer of my aura. Angels, please clear, repair, strengthen, and protect the third layer of my aura. Angels, please clear, repair, strengthen, and protect the fourth layer of my aura. Angels, please clear, repair, strengthen, and protect the fifth layer of my aura. Angels, please clear, repair, strengthen, and protect the sixth layer of my aura. Angels, please clear, repair, strengthen, and protect the seventh layer of my aura. Imagine now that you are recalibrating your bubble. You can make a brand new one if you like, and you want it to be in flow. Set your bubble, set your aura to flow. Your aura is flowing now, and that will be providing you with the highest level of energetic safety.